look, you see him? Hey, what it do, YouTube? What's going on, everybody? Today I'm about to be showing y'all how to wire up your fuel pump. It's an aeromotive. I'll show y'all the part number in a minute. Your fuel pump to your sending unit. But it's very simple. I'm gonna show y'all. Let's get straight to it. So for the Caprice, this is the part number. Let me see if you. But nah, this is the part number for the sending unit that you'll need. There it is. That's the part number you're gonna need for the aeromotive fuel pump. Let me show y'all what tools y'all gonna need. It's simple. All you're gonna need is crimp tools. This is the connector. Come with pretty much all the fuel pumps, I believe. Aftermarket fuel pumps that you buy. And you see how they give you a lot of wire. You're just gonna cut this wire that's on the sending unit wherever you feel like it, and then match red with red, black to black, and just get you some shrink wrap. Put the shrink wrap on here, cut it, splice or whatever, put it right there, and then solder it together, or however long you know. I might cut it like right there so I can plug it in, whatever, you know. From videos I seen, they said you want to spread the wire open so you can get a like this. You want to spread it open so you can get a good connection when you solder it together. You're just gonna take the other end, put it in there, twist it. Don't forget to put the shrink wrap over here first so you can slide it up. I feel like that wouldn't be common, but I feel like, you know what I'm saying, you get too into it, you get to solder, and then you gotta do it all over again. But yeah, let's cut the other one. The sending unit comes with this. Just put it at the bottom, like so, like that. Trying to figure out how much I want to cut of this. I might leave it long and then just wrap it around with some zip ties or something. Let me go ahead, plug that baby up. What I almost forget, shrink wrap. Just like that. I'm telling you, you could be so focused on trying to do this, bruh, that you forget. You know what I'm saying? Definitely don't know where I left off at. Camera had died. I was too focused on. I pretty much got it all assembled. I left the shrink wrap off of this wire after I tried to tell y'all don't do it. I was focused. I was too focused. I did it. Then I went ahead and did the negative side. So then I had to cut this, and then I had to solder it again, which I don't know how to solder, so it took me a minute. And in between that time, camera had died, and now we here. Got the equipment charged and everything. I'm gonna zip tie the fuel pump to this little bar right here. That's it. That's how you put together your sending unit. That's all to it. Pretty straightforward. I'll show y'all if y'all want AN fittings. I'll show y'all the part numbers and everything. If y'all run an AN line throughout your car or whatever, I'll show y'all the part numbers. Yeah, nice cool little video. Hopefully y'all got something out of this. I mean, it really wasn't that hard to do. It probably took me like 15 minutes just because I messed up. Other than that, bro, it's straight. It's literally straightforward. Red to red, black to black. Solder, shrink wrap. Filter right here at the bottom. It pops straight on. Put that little rubber insulator thing right there. Put this. I don't know what else more y'all want from me, bro. I'm giving y'all free game. Hey, if we ain't got field pressure, you know why. Well, I know why. Cause I ain't do it right. But obviously I did, cause you can't mess it up. But yeah, peace out, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Yeah. We out.